Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. For this you just have to open your access bar, and here you just have to open Wi-Fi setting. And if you have the sign of no internet access, so you just have to turn off your Wi-Fi just like this and then turn it on again. After that you just have to connect the Wi-Fi network. Just tap on it and it will be connected, and if it is not fixed, so just go back, and here you just have to enable the airplane mode setting in your mobile phone. Just tap on it and then it will be on. Now you just have to wait for 1 or 2 seconds, then turn it off, and after that your Wi-Fi will be enabled and your phone will be connected to the Wi-Fi. It is sure that it will be fixed, and if it is not, so you just have to restart your phone. So just keep a long press on your on off button and then tap on restart. After that your phone will be take some moments and then it will be restart. And now you can see my phone is restarting. And now you can see my phone has successfully restarted. So you just have to draw your button in your phone and just unlock it. And here you just have to scroll your status bar down and look for Wi-Fi settings. It is sure that it will be worked, and if it's not, so you just have to check your Wi-Fi device. Here's a fiber optic cable in beside of Wi-Fi device. You just have to plug it out and then you just have to clean it with alcohol tissue or a simple tissue. After cleaning you just have to plug it in, and then your Wi-Fi will be successfully fixed and you will be able to use your Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.